So today we're back at our modern cabin project. And as you can see behind me here, we've got some tape on the floors. That tape is actually denoting the location of the island and the cabinets in the kitchen. Back over here, you can see a little bit further. It's gonna get a little dark for a second, but over here, the homeowner actually wanted to add a built-in seating area underneath the windows. I think that's going to look awesome, but we have to keep into account our HVAC system. We've got some ducts that are going to come up right there, so we're going to have to pipe them out underneath this built-in. We've also got some electrical locations here as well. Our electrician has started work, but I needed to stop in, verify some of the locations. I'm just making sure that all the locations he's mapped out are going to correspond with the work that I've done to make sure that we light the space appropriately and that all of our electrical receptacles are in the right location.